Thanks for tuning in to our weekly series. We're going to be doing something a little bit different for the next couple of weeks, and we're going to be focusing on Snowflake due to its popularity. The first installment is going to be a very common use case. We're going to be looking at a lift and shift scenario where we want to take data from a pre-existing database and lift and shift that into our Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. Like a few of our other videos, we're going to be leveraging a solution that was built in-house here at Wavicle called Augment. The ingestion framework is going to be doing the majority of the heavy lifting, but we're able to do this in minutes, if not seconds. So without further ado, I'm going to flip over and show you guys what this would look like in real time. All right, let me take a look here and build out our data migration lift and shift job. Clicking on new pipeline and then getting into naming our process. This is lift and shift into Snowflake. Like the other videos, we're going to be adding in our cloud bucket, selecting the source type for database, the source system. We'll use, let's use SQL again, MySQL, and then mock data for our database, and then lastly the tables here. We'll select all since we're doing a full lift and shift, and then we come in to select our target type, which is going to be database connection, which is our Snowflake connection name, and then dev for the database along with our schemas, raw, stage, and tables. And now we can either create new tables or select existing tables. In this case, we want to create all new tables and do a full refresh for our ingestion type. We could do incremental if it applied to what we were trying to accomplish in this case for CDC or SCD, but we'll go ahead and just keep in theme here and select full refresh for all of these remaining columns. And then lastly, we select our next button, look at the review page to make sure everything was entered in correctly, and then lastly create our job. And now we can run our job, or we can select options to either edit it, deactivate it, or delete it. Take a look at executions that I've run in the past from this page as well. And then we can go into scheduling if we wanted to schedule this job to repeat.